Have you ever faced rejection and felt utterly defeated? Imagine turning that rejection into your biggest advantage. Today, we're diving deep into the power of reverse psychology, how to use rejection to your favor. Understanding this will change how you view every no you've ever received. You've probably heard about reverse psychology before. But what is it exactly? In simple terms, it's a tactic involving the advocacy of a belief or behavior contrary to the one desired, with the expectation that this approach will encourage the subject to do what actually is desired. Now let's put this into context with rejection. First, we need to understand why rejection hurts. It triggers the same pathways in our brain as physical pain. But what if I told you that you could harness the power of that pain? Let's start with a story. Imagine you applied for your dream job and got rejected. Instead of wallowing in self-pity, you send a thank you email. You express gratitude for the opportunity to interview and politely ask for feedback. Surprisingly, this opens up a dialogue. The recruiter is impressed by your professionalism and decides to keep you in mind for future roles. That's reverse psychology in action. But how can you apply this systematically to benefit your life? Step 1. Expect rejection. Prepare your mind to see every rejection as a stepping stone. Step 2. Embrace the no. Understand that every no brings you closer to a yes. Step 3. Reflect and learn. After a rejection, take a moment to reflect on what went wrong and how you can improve. Step 4. The follow-up. This is crucial. Reach out, thank, and ask for feedback. Step 5. Stay on the radar. Occasionally, keep updating them on your progress or new achievements. Let's look at another example from the dating world. Everyone knows the fear of being turned down. However, imagine asking someone out and getting a no, but responding with genuine kindness and understanding. This maturity can pique the other person's interest, or at the very least earn their respect. You've just made a positive impression that could open doors in the future. But it's not just about job applications or dating. This concept applies universally. Got rejected by a publisher? Thank them and use their feedback to improve your manuscript. Then keep them updated on your revisions or next projects. Every interaction is an opportunity to network, to build relationships. Even a rejection can become a stepping stone if approached with the right mindset. Imagine you're applying for your dream job and you get that dreaded email saying you didn't make the cut. Instead of wallowing in disappointment, you decide to reach out. You thank the interviewer for the opportunity and ask for any feedback they might have. Surprised by your proactive approach, they offer insights into why you weren't selected. This opens a door for you to address these areas and leaves a lasting positive impression. Fast forward a few months, a new position opens up. And guess who's at the top of their list? This right here is reverse psychology in action, turning a firm no into an opportunity to shine. But it's not just about job rejections. This approach can work wonders in personal relationships, negotiations, and even in motivating yourself. Now let's break down the steps to leverage reverse psychology in your favor. First, always approach with a positive mindset. Negativity breeds negativity, while positivity opens doors. Next, listen actively. Understanding the reasons behind a rejection can provide you with valuable insights on how to improve. Then use this feedback constructively. Work on the areas where you can improve and let them know you've taken their feedback seriously. Now you might be thinking, but won't I just get rejected again? Here's where persistence comes into play. Demonstrating your dedication and willingness to improve can dramatically change perceptions. Before we move on, if you're finding this video helpful, remember to hit that like button. Your support encourages us to keep creating content that helps you. Moving forward, let's address the myth that using reverse psychology is manipulative. It's all about your intention. If your goal is to grow, improve, and foster positive relationships, then it's a tool for communication, not manipulation. Imagine you're trying to encourage a friend to join you in a new hobby. Direct persuasion hasn't worked, so you switch tactics. You start sharing how much you're enjoying it and how it's positively impacted you. Suddenly, they're asking to join in. That's reverse psychology. You didn't push. You made it attractive for them to make the decision themselves. Whether in professional settings, personal relationships, or with yourself, understanding this psychological twist can open new paths where none seem to exist. Hit the like button if you've ever turned a rejection into an opportunity, and share your stories in the comments below. Let's inspire each other with our resilience.